Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So I have a really small video to share with you guys. I picked up a few things at Dollar Tree one of these days, and then I grabbed something from, I think it was TJ Maxx. So at TJ Maxx, I picked up these plates right here. Excuse the mess on my desk. I got a lot of stuff going on, but it's like this vintage Santa. So cute, it's winking. So I've been trying to do the loaded plates that I've seen Little Paper Crafter and Lisa and Marissa. I think Marissa might have been the originator of this idea, but $5.99, really cute. And then I picked up these plates. I wish that these were pink, but I said I'll settle for the red and the gold. And they have a tutorial. I believe Lisa is the one who has a tutorial on how to create these. She shows stitching, like how to sew it, and then also the non-sewing version. So make sure you guys check that out. And I will tag them down below. And then I also grabbed these confettis. These are new at Dollar Tree. And I was like, okay, Dollar Tree, stepping up your game. These are fat pouches of them, guys. These are like see-through glitter. They're really beautiful. You get a dark pink, a light pink, a white, and a red. And then there's these bigger sequins that got the embossing. And like I said, they're pretty full, guys. You get 2 ounces of them. So I grabbed 2. I can't remember whether they were $1.25 or $1.50 because the prices have been going up. And then I forgot to share in my video yesterday that I created these little bows from that cherry bow bag topper. Guys, you gotta grab that for this bow. It is such a beautiful bow. I love it so much. And yeah, that's it for my share for today. Today is New Year's. It is January the 1st. I hope that you all have an amazing, a blessed New Year full of peace, love, joy, financial blessings, good health, all that good stuff, guys. I hope that you all are doing well, and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye.